Let's create miniature versions of McDonald's chicken crispy balls. Ingredients: ground chicken or chicken nuggets, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and any desired seasonings. Oil for frying instructions. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, and any other desired seasonings. Roll the chicken pieces into small balls. Dredge each ball in flour, dip in beaten egg, and coat with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken balls until golden brown. Serve with ketchup or your favorite dipping sauce. Let's create miniature versions of McDonald's French fries. Ingredients: potatoes. Russet potatoes work well. Salt oil for frying, vegetable oil or peanut oil. Instructions: peel the potatoes and cut them into thin strips, about 1 4-inch thick. Soak the potato strips in cold water for about 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Drain and pat them dry. Heat oil in a deep fryer or a pan to 375 degree F, 190 degree C. Fry the potato strips in batches for about 2-3 minutes or until they are light golden brown. Remove from the oil and drain on paper towels. Season with salt while they're still hot. Serve your miniature French fries alongside the chicken crispy balls. Enjoy your tiny McDonald's meal.